How to fix Cash App not letting me add paper money. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App not letting you add paper money. First, open the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. After tapping on it, you will land on the Money section of Cash App. Here, there are options related to money. Scroll down until you reach the section labelled More Ways to Add Money. Under this section, tap on the option named Deposit Paper Money and proceed with the rest of the process, which is very simple. If this option is missing or not working on your account, here's what you can do. Tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to your account's profile section. Scroll to the bottom and tap the Support option. Wait for the page to load. You will see different support topics. Since our issue is related to payments, tap on Adding Money. From the next options, tap Paper Money Deposit. This page will show you more information about the feature, which you can read through. Then tap the Experiencing an Issue option followed by Chat. You'll be taken to the Cash App support chat where you can explain your issue. After sending your message, give the support team some time to respond with a solution. That is how to fix Cash App not letting you add paper money.